Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show or hide keyboard button on navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, yung you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. In General Management, go to Keyboard List and Default. Okay, tap this. Here in Keyboard List and Default, okay, you can see the keyboard button on navigation bar. The keyboard button on navigation bar is on. To hide the keyboard button on navigation bar, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we can view if the keyboard button on navigation bar is hide. And that's it, okay? The keyboard button on navigation bar is hide. And okay guys, to show again, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this keyboard on navigation bar. And that's it, okay? We can view again and to show the keyboard button on navigation bar. And that's it, okay? We have successfully show or hide keyboard button on navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.